The PB-770 is ECHO's most powerful blower, featuring a large engine and comfortable features that maximize operator comfort. The PB-770 comes with a 63.3 cc professional-grade two-stroke engine that delivers more power and reduced fuel consumption. The ultra-powerful PB-770 boasts blowing performance of up to 756 cubic feet per minute and speeds up to 234 miles per hour, making it the most powerful backpack blower available from ECHO. The PB-770 is available with either a hip-mounted or tube-mounted throttle. Both are easy to reach and include cruise control. The PB-770 offers a padded backrest with a built-in operator cooling system for comfortable operation, even in the hottest weather. The shoulder straps on the PB-770 are padded and fully adjustable for maximum operator comfort. The side-mounted two-stage air filtration system includes a large pleated paper air filter with a foam pre-filter for reduced maintenance and longer engine life. The extra flexible tube offers full range of motion for improved mobility and more convenient storage. The choice of professionals, the top-of-the-line blowers from ECHO.